made it to Tennessee. We are currently on a hike with my uncle, my nephews, and my sister. We are, I'll let you know, I don't remember the name of it. And we are hiking by a little creek. So it's beautiful out here. We already saw a bear, a baby bear. So we were very careful not to go much further or closer to it. But we got past the danger. So just gonna enjoy ourselves, show you some beautiful scenes. But I do not have on hiking shoes. Ugh.
Where's the cool waterfall?
Yeah. Woo! That one's slippery. Alright. So we
I don't know what's over on the other side. You need me to go first.
I think I'm good so far. Yeah.
garnets, which are the little pink dots.
Wow.
You just pick out a piece and we'll put a and it goes quick with this stuff. It's easy.
Thinking of something to hold through, like the flattish piece.
Yeah.
It's not too bad. Look how cool with the zebra striping
I
of
like
that
the
one.
zebra striping.
I'll leave that one out. I think it too, because like the boys
Yeah, well, that'd be cool. Oh, this has little baby specks in it. Alright?
Yeah.
And you don't want too big?
Yeah, I
Maybe
mean,
the zebra stripe. Be cool to do. I mean, that's way too big, obviously, for the thing.
yeah.
This one where it's like half, and it just has like a down the center. Oh,
This
like that
one.
one.
This
Yeah,
one?
yeah.
I like
So that's like this one, but
It's like an
smaller.
Oreo.
Yeah.
And it's got some
Ooh,
maybe?
that- yeah,
That
or
is?
mica.
Or mica.
I don't know. I still can't
like
tell the
that.
difference. Yeah, that one's nice. This one has some of the garnet in it. Garnet.
This has the 3.
Oh, that one's cool. I don't know. I may do.
Shape.
This is hard.
plate that made the brick.
This is the First African Baptist Church. Here ahead of us, soon to be on our right. Now, the congregation for the First African is nearly as old as the nation itself. Let me see who did well in school. What year was the U.S. founded, y'all?
1776.
Yeah, good job, guys. The congregation for the First African was established in 1777, just 1 year later. But the church that you saw wasn't erected until 1859. It was actually created by slaves from the Brampton plantation. You see, those slaves would work during the day on the plantation, and then at night they would come to Franklin Square to create their church by candlelight.